Introducing Impressions by ClosetMaid, our premium fully customizable closet system with a refined built-in look. Start with your tower. Choose 16-inch or 25-inch widths to fit your space and storage style. Each tower pairs with expandable hang rods that extend from 30 to 48 inches for flexible hanging zones. Optional 48-inch top shelves are also available to expand your storage and offer a seamless continuous run. Expand your system with impression storage units featuring a base unit, a corner unit, and a narrow organizer. All units are stackable, allowing you to maximize vertical space and create a truly personalized storage solution. The 25-inch 4-shelf organizer includes 2 fixed and 2 adjustable shelves, perfect for folded items and bins. The 29-inch corner unit maximizes every inch with 3 fixed shelves. And the 16-inch narrow 4-shelf organizer gives you vertical capacity where depth is tight, again with 2 fixed and 2 adjustable shelves. Every piece features a premium embossed finish with decorative molding and trim for a polished, furniture-like presentation. Customize your storage space with optional accessories. Add drawers to fit your needs in 10 by 16-inch and 10 by 25-inch sizes, both with traditional drawer fronts, satin nickel handles, and full extension glides for smooth access. Add a 3-shelf shoe organizer and stack 2 to double capacity. The 16-inch tower and 16-inch base can hold up to 4 10 by 16-inch drawers. The 25-inch tower and 25-inch base can hold up to 4 10 by 25-inch drawers. Impressions is right at home, in a bedroom closet, reach-in, or walk-in. It elevates a living room as a clean, clutter-free space. And in an entryway, it keeps shoes and grab-and-go items out of the way. Design your system with Impressions. Flexible storage, beautifully organized.